welcome to another cleaning video. It's gonna be unlike any one that you've seen before on my channel.
Hey guys, it's Morgan Yates. It's no secret at this point that I have issues keeping my room clean, as you've seen in my not one, not two, but 3 previous Clean With Me videos over the past 6 months. Thankfully, you seem to like watching them, so today we're back with the biggest and best so far. Thank you so much to Express for sponsoring today's video.
You may be thinking, Morgan, is your room really a mess again? Do you really have more stuff to get rid of? And the answer is just a big yes and yes. And that's also why I'm wearing this shirt today that says bad habits. Because that is my worst habit, I would say, is just being a mess. But the real reason behind today's video is because I am redoing this room. So there's gonna be a 24-hour room makeover video of, not for a few weeks, because West Elm is in no rush to get their furniture to their consumers. In preparation for switching out my furniture, redoing my room a little bit, not only do I want like a fresh start, things to seem like less cluttered, but also the furniture I have ordered has, someone flying a drone outside my home? Yes, okay. Just LA things. The furniture I have ordered has fewer drawers in the dresser than mine currently. So not only do I want to clean things out, but I urgently need to clean things out. Recently I had a wake up call moment where we thought we were having to evacuate our house, and we packed up our belongings that were important that we wanted to save. And when it came to clothes, I saved my like $10 basic white t-shirts, okay? So clearly there's a lot that I can let go of. This video is also brought to you by Express, so later in the video I'll be showing you some new items I got from them, as well as of course taking into account the 1 in 1 out rule. But I'm probably not even gonna think of it that way because we're gonna get rid of so much stuff. It's gonna be crazy. All right, starting point when you walk in, again, things have been so much worse. This is actually clean laundry I need to put away. Time lapse coming in a second. I have a few things out on my like surfaces. This is the area that needs the most help. I keep like stacking things on my bed and then I'll get ready for bed and then I'll just push them there. It's not a great thing to do. But with like jackets and things, I don't have any more room in my closet. This is where I keep my sweaters. Not only can I barely get in and out any kind of like sweatshirt or sweater, but there's not room for any more. We're gonna clear this out. A sad piece of info, because I love this little clothing rack. When I redo my room, I'm having 2 nightstands. A lot of these glittery items I've held on to for forever just because like even if I don't wear them, they like look nice on this rack. But I no longer have a reason to do that, so we're gonna be doing a deep clean of this. Here in the closet room, not much has changed. I can't even tell you how many pairs of black heels I have at the moment. Also contemplating selling things on POSHMARK. We'll see. I'm sure Adrian would love to see this place clean.
This is my safe space.
If I had pretty much any other roommate, I would be in like some deep trouble.
Really same.
All stuff for the room makeover video. I think it's safe to say I have enough t-shirts I can even put them in here. Do I need this? It's very soft. I love it. Paramore, long live. Would I buy it right now though? All right, gonna give a quick update of what we have going on here. First of all, floor has been cleaned out all around, hung up some clothes that need to go back to their places. However, all these sweaters and such, I literally cannot fit back there on that rack. So those are gonna stay here, and the first thing I'm gonna sort through and like clean out are my sweaters. These are donations. I am starting out with 14 items already in here, so we're gonna kick that off. These are items I've also cleaned out of my closet, but that if I decide to put things on POSHMARK, you guys let me know if you shop there, I don't know. These are items that I think are like really good quality and I would want to go on POSHMARK. We're gonna start with all these sweaters and hoodies. I'm gonna just take them all off and then we're gonna like reload. So much stuff under here. Some good news, I found more toilet paper that I thought I was almost out of. I don't know how long that's been there, but that's great. How did I fit all of this in there? I guess I'm just going to take my faves and start building this out. Update 4 more items in there. The thing here too is I only really need, like I can wear these in LA for sure, but I don't need to keep more than like I would pack on a trip to somewhere cold. I would keep my 1 Christmas sweater. Just got these as well, so I'm still excited about them. Items I already know I can ditch. I have another green sweater that I just got that's the same shade, so I don't need to keep both. Another big sweater, another sweater. I'm gonna go through these like hoodies next. Love this. It was a good trusty travel sweatshirt, but it's turned like a dingy gray color. So it's goodbye. All of these are goodbye. so many hard decisions. These sweaters are different, but they're both black, and I could justify keeping both, but I'm thinking, all right, Morgan, I'm going on a trip right now. Which black sweater am I gonna wanna wear? And it's this one, so we're cutting this. These are still sufficiently full. I don't know how in the world I had so many more items in here to start with. We started with 49 items, and we are down to 26. So we cut 23, which is crazy. I don't know where they fit. Brief intermission because a package from Express quite literally just got delivered. They are also once again sponsoring this video, so thank you so much to them. So I thought I would just go ahead and show a few items that I picked out. Of course, we are still following the 1 in, 1 out rule, but that doesn't apply as much as usual here because I'm getting rid of so many things. In fact, I'm only bringing in 6 items from Express. I think there's 7 actually. There's a pair of jeans, but I don't think it's gonna be delivered in time for when I'm filming this, but all of the following are gonna be linked below. I just picked out these 6 items from their holiday and going out collections. You guys know I love posting stuff around the holidays and just generally getting dressed up for events. So gonna have some more little blingy moments, as I've already been having. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen. So first up, we just have 2 ribbed turtlenecks. These are super soft. I've been wearing non-stop this long sleeve turtleneck bodysuit from Express that I showed in my What I Spent in a Week in LA video. And I just wanted something that was a little bit thicker because that one was just like a regular long sleeve top. These are definitely still lightweight, but I think they're just a little bit more wintry, and I have a trip coming up to New York and then going home. And I think that these will get worn a lot there. Next up, so excited for this because it will surely get worn to an event or holiday party or something. It's just another bodysuit. I've been all about the bodysuits lately. It's a thong back, which is always great for underwear lines. And so the bottom part is just a stretchy material, and then we get into this really pretty sequin top, spaghetti straps that are adjustable, and then the back is sequin as well. So you can have a glam stepping out moment in this, or this is a similar vibe, but it's just a little top. It's not like cropped, but it's not super long, which is great. And it's just this really pretty like champagne, like nude color. There's a ton of like sequins and beading going on in here, and it's a high neck top, and it looks, based on my first impression, that this back isn't cut in too far to where I'll be able to wear just a regular bra with this. So love that. And so when you put this on, there is a layer between you and all of this sequin fabric, so it's not gonna be itchy or anything. Next, another bodysuit. I just got this little burgundy one. This is a very like nice, feels like polyester material or something. So this little like square neck bodysuit. Again, the thong back. I really like this like rich maroon wine red color as we get into the holidays. This isn't like a cottony material. It's definitely a little bit nicer, so you'll be able to dress this up really easily. And then lastly, and perhaps my favorite, I love this sequin skirt. Express has so many adorable skirts and dresses in like all kinds of sequin patterns, and I love all the cool like triangle cutouts of this. I think it's gonna be super flattering. We got an elastic waistband in here, and overall it does seem to be a bit of a stretchy fabric. Okay, once again, I will have all of that linked. They don't really give me a discount code as well that I always have in the description box, but this month we don't have one because they're already running so many sales, so make sure you're checking in on the website. I've seen some crazy discounts already, and we're not even close to Black Friday and Cyber Monday yet, so we get back into cleaning. All right, next up we're gonna do this top part. I'm gonna take everything off the shelves again. This is basically just jackets, a few long sleeve tops, and like some short sleeve tops, and then like tanks and tube top things. I went ahead and removed everything up there. You can see this better, so more room. Yay. Once again, how did all this fit in such a small rod? I don't know. Why am I holding on to this like I'm going to a rodeo anytime soon? All right, for jackets, we started with 28 and we are finishing with 16. So we cut 12, which I think is a pretty good amount. All right, in the like long sleeve and t-shirt department, I am cutting 7, keeping 5. JK, cutting 1 more long sleeve as well. Now for these like tube tops and bodysuits and tanks. All right, I'm gonna cut 5 and keep 8. All right, guys. Looks so much better, so much more space. All right, cleared everything out of here. Gonna organize this bottom part. I didn't even know I had these shoes, so I can get rid of them. Gotta keep these bridesmaid dresses. So out here we have dresses and jumpsuits, pants and skirts. Added 2 pairs of shoes to the donation pile. Down here in this basket we have a bunch of like slides and slippers, and then I also got this little like cubby set thing that I don't know what my vision is to put in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it up. Perfect height. I don't know what's gonna go in it, but I like it. All right, update. We have some dresses back there. I realized I don't even have that many dresses I like, and I never wear dresses anyway, so I guess that makes sense. And then some pants and skirt options. This, I think I'm gonna put leggings in here once I get that new dresser, because I'm cutting 2 drawers of this dresser over here, and I have like so much activewear in this. Saving that space. These are skirts, but I only have a couple because most of my skirts are like materials that would wrinkle, in which case they're hanging. Same situation for pants, but I do have a lot of pants down here broken up by if they're casual or if they're dressy. If I end up needing another cube for something, I'll just hang those 2 skirts since it's only 2. Of that side of the closet, we have cut 28 items already. We're also losing our light, so I think that'll be my last task of the day. Welcome to cleaning day 2. Kicking these off today, things have actually quickly become a little bit higher stakes because, so yesterday I looked into how to like get rid of furniture. This is broken, the like drawers got a piece of it chipped out. So unfortunately it's not a good enough quality to donate. So I searched and the city of Los Angeles will do like a bulky item pickup on your scheduled trash day, which happens to be tomorrow. So I called and they're picking it up tomorrow. I need to move this outside actually like in a couple of hours because I need Adrian's help and she's gonna be gone for most of the day. Really quickly, I'm gonna like sort through everything in these. Then I'm also going to like take what was in the drawers and put them in bags or something because we're about to like take this outside. I'm gonna go ahead and take all of my leggings and fold them up and put them up here. My sister would answer, oh, I've got you some things to pick from. I'm gonna mail this up to my sister. Kenzie's taking a couple things and I fit what I could in here. So basically, I know it looks a little chaotic, but they're broken up by fabric type. All right, now I'm just gonna keep going through all of this and getting rid of a bunch of stuff. Clearing out 18 pairs of leggings, another drawer gone through. I'm keeping all of these. They're like PJ sets, pajama bottoms, joggers, and then like some sleep shorts. So I'm getting rid of 13 items here. Next up is t-shirts. And if a t-shirt is in here, that means it's like a sleep t-shirt or it's like a UNC t-shirt. And they don't even all fit in here. Actually, maybe I could mail some of these to my sister while I'm mailing her leggings. I love Paramore, but I think it's time we part. Wow, I think I'm even letting old Paramore go. This was like my first merch I ever bought. And would you believe I'm even letting this Demi shirt go? All right, so here's what I'm keeping here. Donating 6, and then I'm gonna mail these home. This whole side is empty. All right, these are all activewear tops. Let's do it. All right, getting rid of 10 more. These are like workout t-shirt tops I'm hanging on to. Next we've got sports bras and jackets. Ugh, this is sad. For the record, I love all of this stuff. Since I'm doing a year-long partnership with Fabletics, I get sent their new collection every month. There's literally just no way I have room for it. So every month it's getting harder and harder to decide what has to go. All right, here's what I'm holding on to. And I'm getting rid of 11 items over here. Now for this train wreck of a sock drawer. All right, I'm holding on to these. These are ones I'm not. And this top drawer was just underwear and such that handled off screen. It's all empty inside. Woo! All right, so in this room, we are finally all finished cleaning out everything. It has been a journey. I'm about to take out this furniture to the curb. Then we're gonna wrap up day 2. Day 3 and our final day of cleaning out. We're on to our final section. The closet room. Safe to say we got enough t-shirts. Even more safe to say, ever since I moved items in from the clothing rack in here. And I need to switch out the hangers so that they all match. A lot of those items went to my like dressy shirt little rack. Nothing can really be put in or gotten out of there at this point. So some of this stuff's Adrian's, but I just have a bunch of shoes. More shoes. I already know some pairs I can get rid of here at the All Saints shoes I spent so much money on and wore once. Yeah, we've got dresses here, denim skirts here, the dressy tops, t-shirts, denim shorts, and jeans. And then shoes are just kind of everywhere. Let's do it. I'm so ready to be done. So t-shirts are by far where I've been the most lenient in past videos. I do wear t-shirts all the time, but I definitely don't wear most of these shirts ever. What is this? Just a plain black shirt with a deodorant stain? No. Oh, but then it's cute and I'm like, oh, I could wear that. I need to get back to my day 1 energy. This, do we need it? Nope. AC/DC shirt. Love AC/DC, but do I wear this shirt? No, but I could. I forget the things I own. I bought this from Urban because I was a big fan of like all of these band shirts in there. But I don't wear this. This Girl You Are the Boss shirt. Great idea. Don't wear it. Oh, this was a good Coachella shirt. We'll keep that. Shirt from White Fox. Don't wear it. Tiger shirt. Do I wear it? No. Guns N' Roses shirt, don't need it. Love Aerosmith, don't ever wear this. So USA shirt could be good for the 4th of July. How many 4th of July shirts do I need when there's only one and I have like 14 items right here that can qualify as 4th of July attire? And a TV shirt. Don't need it. This shirt I never wear. This shirt, do I wear it? I'm not gonna wear this with jeans and I can wear a plain white shirt with jeans, you know? Then what if I do a like women's march? Oh, another women's march outfit. Never done one, so I don't know why suddenly I think I can just, this is so thin. Goodbye. Cardi B, I love her, but I've never worn this shirt. This shirt from Windsor, loved it years ago. Plain green shirt, I don't wear it. There's 3 camo t-shirts. I feel like I would wear the Zara one before I wear this. We cleared out a lot so far. That looks so much better. 21, holy cow, 22. 25 t-shirts I just took out. I'm only keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, whoa, 25. I'm keeping 25. All right, I just took out 30 items. I still feel like this is fuller than I want, but how in the world did I have 30 more items in here? I'm gonna switch these hangers out. Maybe we'll revisit this. Next for dresses, I don't actually know if I have any of these to get rid of. I went through this like pretty heavily last time. Like, yeah, I can get rid of this. All right, so from here, I did pull out 4 dresses. So closet clean out is in full effect right now. Next, I'm gonna do shoes. Up here, I hang my jeans on these little hooks. And as you can tell, just toss extra ones under here, apparently. So some of my drawers I have under here, I'm actually gonna use, this used to be a Neutrogena mailer. And I'm just gonna put all these hooks in that. All right, I put that other box right here. It fits perfectly. So I don't know what's gonna go in that, but at least then I have some storage under here. So I just got these little sock booties. They're pretty much the same as these and these. I'm gonna get rid of these for sure. Oh, look, 3 of the same shoe. If you're wondering, are those the exact pair? Yes, they are. I got these in a 6.5 and then they were too big. So then I had to get them in a 6 and I missed the return date for these. So now I'm just left with a perfectly good brand new pair of shoes that I'm gonna sell. All right, so I have 14 total pairs here that I'm getting rid of. But for what's on the shelves, things look a lot more organized. All right, things are now in a much better spot than when we started. I won't know till editing, but we cleared out this many items. It feels lighter. Like, look at all this space. Hopefully this is the last one of these we are ever gonna do. Let me know if you believe that or not. And I will see all of you guys in my next video.